What if I told you that the silent giant of global payments, a company that almost never touches the volatile world of early-stage crypto, just placed a high-stakes bet on a project that aims to replace the internet as we know it? We are standing at a crossroads where artificial intelligence is no longer just a chatbot on your screen, but a living, breathing economic actor capable of spending money, hailing rides, and managing supply chains. Today we are diving into the heart of this revolution to answer the one question on every investor's mind. Why could Kite AI or Kite hit the legendary $1 mark this bull cycle? In this video we aren't just looking at charts. We are looking at the foundational infrastructure of the Agentic Internet, a world where software agents operate with their own verifiable identities and native access to payments. By the end of this deep dive, you will understand the massive institutional weight behind this project, the technology that makes it a first-of-its-kind Layer 1, and the realistic mathematical path to a 7x return from today's prices. The smart money isn't just whispering about Kite AI, they are screaming through their checkbooks, and when PayPal leads the charge, the entire financial world stops to listen. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. To understand the price potential of Kite, you have to look at who is sitting at the table. This isn't your average meme coin launch backed by anonymous developers. This is a heavyweight institutional play. Kite AI recently closed a massive $33 million total funding round, which included a staggering $18 million Series A lead by none other than PayPal Ventures. Now, pause for a second and realize how rare that is. PayPal Ventures rarely dives into the crypto space, especially for an infrastructure project still in its early stages. When they do, it signals a long-term belief that this technology will eventually integrate with the global payment rails they already control. But they aren't alone. The roster of backers reads like a who's who of Silicon Valley and Web3 powerhouses: Samsung Next, Coinbase Ventures, General Catalyst, Animoca Brands, and the Avalanche Foundation. This level of backing provides more than just capital. It provides a moat of legitimacy. When a project is backed by the same people who built the modern internet and the largest exchange in the US, the path to major exchange listings and global adoption becomes a matter of when, not if. Most crypto projects have partners, on paper, that never materialize, but Kite AI has a lead check from a company that processes billions of dollars every single day. So, what exactly are these giants investing in? They are investing in the solution to a massive problem: the agentic roadblock. Right now, our internet is built for humans. We use passwords, we swipe credit cards, and we oversee every transaction. But AI agents, smart robots that can trade, shop, or research, are currently homeless on the traditional web. They lack a verifiable identity and a way to pay for things without a human holding their hand. Kite AI changes the game by creating the first Layer 1 blockchain specifically designed for these agents. At the core of this is the Agent Passport, a cryptographic identity that allows an AI to build a reputation and prove it's legitimate across any platform. Imagine an AI that doesn't just find you a cheap flight but actually has the authority and the wallet to book it, pay for it, and handle the receipt, all within sub-100 millisecond latency and at a cost so low it's practically zero. This isn't science fiction. Kite is building the native payment rails that allow machines to pay other machines 24/7 without a bank ever needing to open its doors. Imagine an internet where your AI doesn't just suggest a gift. It buys it, ships it, and tracks it, all without you ever needing to lift a finger. The true moonshot potential for Kite lies in its real-world ecosystem, which is already expanding far beyond the crypto bubble. This isn't just about decentralized finance. It's about the Agent Store, an evolution of the App Store where you can discover and hire agents for specialized tasks. Kite is already working with the titans of the Web 2 world to ensure these agents can actually do things in our physical reality. We are talking about integrations with Amazon, allowing agents to autonomously shop and fulfill orders, Google and its Gemini AI, and even service giants like Uber and Shopify. Picture this: an agent using the Kite protocol to hail you an Uber or order your groceries through a Shopify-linked store, with the payment settled instantly on-chain. The Agentic Internet is projected to be a $30 trillion economy by 2030, and Kite is positioning itself as the essential toll road for every transaction within that economy. When you realize that real-world companies like Alibaba, Meta, and even the infrastructure of Amazon Web Services are already being mentioned in the same breath as this ecosystem, the current valuation starts to look incredibly undervalued. We aren't just talking about digital tokens or speculative hype. We are talking about the invisible backend that will soon power the global economy. Now, let's talk about the numbers that lead us to that $1 target. Currently, Kite has been trading in pre-markets and early listings around the 13 to 15 cent range. This gives the project a market capitalization of approximately $333 million, a drop in the bucket compared to other infrastructure plays. For example, Egan Cloud, which also deals with verified agents, sits at a higher market cap, and Kite has significantly more institutional backing. If Kite AI reaches a $1 price point, we are looking at a market cap of roughly $1.8 billion to $2 billion depending on the circulating supply at the time. Prominent voices in the space believe this is not just possible, but very achievable in a full-blown bull market. The ultimate catalyst would be the onboarding of a massive payment processor like Stripe or WorldPay. If Kite becomes the bridge that allows a processor like Stripe to handle AI-driven payments, the volume would be so immense that a $1 price target might actually be a conservative estimate. While we must be aware of token unlocks in November that could create temporary selling pressure, the daily trading volume of over $250 million suggests the market has the appetite to absorb it. The distance between 15 cents and $1 is much shorter than you think when billions of dollars in real-world volumes start flowing through the chain. Kite AI represents the rarest of opportunities in crypto, a project with big tech backing, a revolutionary technical solution to a trillion-dollar problem, and a clear path to real-world utility through companies like Uber and Amazon. As we move deeper into this bull cycle, the narrative will shift from simple memes to the agentic economy, and Kite is leading that parade. If you found value in this deep dive into the future of AI and blockchain, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Staying updated with these high-conviction institutional plays is exactly how you stay ahead of the curve in this fast-moving market. I want to hear from you. Do you think the PayPal effect is enough to send $Kite past $1? Drop your price predictions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one as we continue to track the biggest bangers in the altcoin space. Crypto taxes don't have to be a nightmare. Coinly calculates your taxes in under 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Sync your crypto assets with one click. Whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi, import your trades, track your portfolio, and generate ready-to-file tax reports effortlessly. Join thousands who trust Coinly to simplify their crypto taxes. Make tax season stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Coinly today. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses a considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.